I'm trying not to sit here and explode. But look, 17 years ago, when I got diagnosed with MS, I made it very public. I told people what I go through. If I concentrate on my pain, I can't even sit here. Now listen, for a fact, I had 7 doctors that I chased to get every single pill there was that you can think of 17 years ago. I had a doctor, and I told you this, who said to me, Montel, listen, I'm not going to write you any more prescriptions. You need to figure this out. I know some people who have MS who, like you, say that this marijuana stuff works. You need to go find out. And I started digging. This was 17 years ago. That's why I've been involved in every single state that has passed legislation to allow a patient and a doctor to have a conversation. And if you, my doctor, says, Montel, use marijuana, everybody else can shut up and get out of my conversation.